Smart battery chargers ensure safe charging, prevent overcharging, extend battery lifespan, maintain stored vehicles, and optimize performance in all weather conditions. Today's video is about top 5 best smart battery chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bayo Automatic Smart Car Battery Charger. This 10A 3-in-1 car battery charger is a compact yet powerful solution for keeping 12V batteries healthy and fully charged. It supports a wide range of battery types, including AGM, GL, SLA, VRLA, and LiFePO4, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, trucks, and even boats. The plug-and-play design is beginner-friendly. Just connect it to a power source and the charger automatically detects the battery and starts charging. For more control, 5 selectable modes allow tailored charging for different battery types and conditions. The LCD display is a standout feature, clearly showing voltage, current, charge level, temperature, and seasonal mode, so you always know what's happening. Safety is well covered with multiple protections against reverse polarity, short circuits, overheating, and overcurrent, plus temperature compensation for reliable performance in hot or cold weather. Its pulse repair function adds real value by helping revive weak lead-acid batteries and extend overall battery life. While it shouldn't be left unattended for long periods, it performs efficiently as a charger, maintainer, and trickle charger, an excellent all-in-one choice for everyday battery care. Now our second product is Nextbee Car Battery Charger. This 12V/24V smart battery charger delivers strong performance with its 15A, 12V, and 8A, 24V output, making it noticeably faster than standard 10A chargers. It supports both lead-acid and LiFePO4 batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded types, so it works across cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment. The 9-stage charging process ensures efficient, controlled charging while helping extend battery lifespan. The upgraded 1.75A trickle mode is a great feature for long-term maintenance. It automatically switches to float charging once the battery is full, making it ideal for winter storage or infrequently used vehicles. The large color LCD screen is bright and easy to read, even outdoors, and provides detailed real-time data like voltage, current, temperature, and charge percentage. The long 8.9-foot cable also adds convenience. Safety is a strong point, with protections against reverse polarity, overheating, overcurrent, short circuits, and overcharging, plus temperature compensation for different climates. The pulse repair function can help recover weak batteries, though it won't revive completely dead ones. Overall, it's a powerful, versatile, and reliable charger for home and garage use. Our third product is Yunhan Automatic Smart Car Battery Charger. This 10A 12V/24V smart battery charger is a practical all-in-one solution for everyday vehicle battery care. It works as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, supporting AGM, GL, SLA, and flooded lead-acid batteries across cars, SUVs, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment. Its compact size makes it easy to store, yet it delivers reliable charging performance. The seasonal charging modes are especially useful, automatically adjusting output for winter or summer to prevent overcharging in heat and undercharging in cold weather. Safety features like reverse polarity, short circuit, and overcharge protection provide peace of mind during use. The backlit LCD display is clear and informative, showing voltage, current, temperature, charge level, and mode status at a glance, while the memory function restores your last setting after a power cut. The repair mode with pulse technology can help recover weak or idle batteries and extend service life, though it won't revive completely dead or damaged units. The dedicated trickle mode keeps batteries topped up for long storage periods. Overall, it's a versatile, user-friendly charger that keeps your vehicle ready to start year-round. Now number 4, E-Liter Automatic Battery Maintainer for Car. This all-in-one portable car battery charger is a versatile tool for maintaining and restoring 12V/24V lead-acid batteries and 12V LiFePO4 units. It combines multiple functions: charger, maintainer, trickle charger, desulfator, and reconditioner, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. The adjustable current options allow you to match the charging power to different battery sizes, which helps improve efficiency and safety. The 6-stage smart charging process ensures controlled, optimized charging and automatically switches to float mode when the battery is full, keeping it topped up during long storage periods. The one-button repair mode is useful for reviving idle or under-voltage 12V lead-acid batteries and extending their lifespan, though it won't fix severely damaged units. A bright display provides clear real-time information such as voltage, current, capacity, and charging mode, while automatic voltage detection simplifies setup. Safety is well covered with protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, reverse polarity, short circuits, and leakage. Overall, it's a powerful, feature-rich charger that delivers reliable performance for routine battery maintenance and seasonal storage. And our last choice is Lesterton Smart Car Battery Charger. This 2-in-1 battery charger and maintainer is a dependable choice for keeping 12V lead-acid and LiFePO4 batteries in good condition. It supports a wide range of vehicles and equipment, from cars and motorcycles to RVs, boats, and lawn tools, making it a versatile garage essential. Charging is fully automatic, and the MCU-controlled system switches to float mode once the battery is full, ensuring safe long-term maintenance. Safety features are a strong highlight. The unit is spark-proof and protected against reverse polarity, short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overload. The built-in thermal sensor intelligently adjusts charging for hot or cold environments, preventing damage and improving efficiency. Its water and dust-resistant design also adds durability for workshop use. The 8-foot total cable length with detachable alligator and ring connectors offers flexible installation, while the low-voltage repair mode helps recover weak 12V lead-acid batteries above 4V. Lightweight and easy to store, it's ideal for seasonal vehicles or batteries that sit unused for long periods. Backed by a long warranty and strong user base, this charger delivers reliable performance for everyday battery maintenance and storage. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.